A space rich in daylight with a connection to the garden and an extension with a focus on lifelong living. At the back, the facade was slightly altered to create a connection with the new extension. The connection of the new living space with the garden is emphasized by the covered terrace adjacent to the living space and the fireplace volume. In turn, the aluminum joinery is black while the floor is natural colored polished concrete. The colors red and green, combined with black and warm shades of walnut veneer, formed a whole that was continued in the design. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.